The 8-point lift. When we prepare the patient for the 8-point lift, mark the area between the lead cheek junction on the right side and on the left side. The next step is to ask the patient to lean forward so that we make evident the areas that we are not supposed to inject, which may worsen with the products displayed at this level. Retract the skin, pre-test the degree of difficulty, and mark point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stretch out and proceed with the injection in point number 1. Don't forget to aspirate, perpendicular down to the bone. A total amount of 0.1 is injected. Massage. Proceed to point number 2. Aspirate. From 0.2, from 0.3 total volume. In this patient, I skipped point 3 and proceeded directly to point 4, changing to Ultra Plus in the nasolabial fold. Skipped point number 5 and went back to voluma in the pre-gel sulcus. Now, point 7, bolus in the subcutaneous, clean, and we evaluate that there is already improvement at the marionette lines in this patient. The same is carried out on the left side. When we reevaluate the no-go area, we may notice now, after the 8-point lift, that the saggy skin is minimal. Mark the retruded chin. Pre-test with a cotton bud. Entry point with a 25 gauge needle. And use voluma with a 25 gauge cannula. Stretch the skin and direct to the area of volume loss. Proceed with fanning technique or retrograde and anterograde, and display the product in multiple layers so that we can give support to the more superficial areas around the perioral. We may also proceed and put the cannula in the chin, which would be point number 9. Massage, remove the markings, and evaluate the difference between the left side that was treated and the right side. We see that the oral commissure has lifted on the right and also more projected when compared to the left one. Another entry point and the change to Juvederm Ultra Plus. Getting the product through a cannula in the body of the lower lip, we proceed with the filling and replacing volume. Retrograde. Check and reinforce the mucosa at the oral commissure. And again, a more lifted and correction at the oral commissure and marionette line complex is obtained. Do the very same on the left side. Start by marking the no-go area. Inject voluma with the 25 gauge cannula. Retrograde, anterograde to compensate the volume loss and the retruded lower maxilla. By replacing volume at this level, we get a better anterior projection. Change to Juvederm Ultra Plus, because now we are heading to the lower lip. The importance of this strategy is to strengthen the modulus area so that there is an improvement and upward lifting of the oral commissure.